Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I painted my TXT 0 times 1 equals love song or I Know I Love You inspired nail art design. Start by painting your index fingernail white, your middle fingernail beige, your ring fingernail an off-white, and your pinky and thumbnails black. For the index fingernail design, I was inspired by the choreography, specifically the part where they turn to the side and they have one arm pointing up and one arm pointing down, and they're looking up, and they also have one leg kind of stretched out. Kind of like, I don't know how to describe this, almost like they're about to run, but they're also looking up. And I noticed this in the music video and also in the live for their comeback show, so it just really stuck with me and I wanted to create a design out of it. So after I put down the black base, I actually went over it with like this dual chrome polish, which I thought made it more magical. So after applying matte top coat to my middle fingernail, I'm just going to start drawing the design. So I first started with black polish and I just drew this kind of wavy line. So this is inspired by their outfits in the comeback show, and yeah, so I just drew really thin black lines in like a crisscross pattern, and I added white for the other material underneath. For the ring fingernail, I was inspired by Taehyun's arm cast, so I used an off-white base, but I went over top with white and gray, kind of like dry brushed it on just to give it a little bit more texture and to resemble that like gauze. And then I used gray polish to spell out loser, and on top of the S I am going to write V in red. For the pinky fingernail, I first applied matte top coat. I waited for it to dry a little bit and then I just went on top of it with a brush and just kind of like messed it up, I guess, and that is just to create like a ripped jean look. And then for the thumbnail, I'm going to be recreating their logo at the end of the music video, so it's just TXT. You want to make sure that they're all the same like symbols though. The X is just like a rotated T, so yeah, it's like really important that everything is symmetrical and all the lines are straight and you have like right angles just to make it as close to the original as possible. I also thinned out some white polish and I'm going to be filling in the center, and then I'm just going to color in the X with blue polish. And in the center of the X, I'm using red polish to draw a heart. And now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat to your index, ring, and thumbnails, and you can leave your middle and pinky nails as they are because of the matte top coat. So this is my completed TXT I Know I Love You inspired nail art design. I really enjoyed creating a design for this song, and I'm just beyond happy that TXT finally had their comeback. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next one.